Hello. Today I'm going to talk about horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis means comparing financial information over time from different dates. This is used for a single company over time. Now, the main thing you need to know about this is how to calculate the increase or decrease percentage. Okay, it's always going to be whatever the current year amount is minus the prior year amount, so whatever the change is, and then divide by the prior year amount. So always by the older year. Okay, now I'm going to show you what this looks like in an income statement. Okay, income statement. We're going to look at the difference between 2015 and 2016. And yes, financial statements usually show the most current year on the left and prior years on the right. So pay attention to the dates. Okay, so the difference between net sales from 2015 to 2016 was an increase of 862. Okay, the percentage is 862 divided by the prior year, 3963, to get to 21.8%. That tells you how much the sales increased as a percentage of the prior year. Companies do this all the time to look at their own financial information. They may also look at their competitors this way as well. But horizontal analysis means looking at the same company over time and looking at what are the differences as a percentage of that earlier year. Thank you.